quick, before we start, just reminder of what we did before lunch. We did a brain dump. We dumped everything from our brains that we know about whales and put it onto our circle chart using a black pen. Now, we're going to add to that chart what we learned from our reading. What this did was it activated our background knowledge. If you think about what you know about something before you read it, it helps you remember when you read. It works. So now we're going to read, and then we're going to add some facts from our reading in what color pen?
Black.
Red.
Red, yes, red pen. So we know, then we'll be able to see how much we learned from our reading. So open your iPads, find your story.
I'm already on it.
Wales.
Me too.
Are you
So
there?
this is a middle
Yeah.
school reading class.
Okay.
Just like in her class, we're always ready.
We're using
Awesome.
video and we're using sound.
Okay, whales, look. Who remembers what it was called when the whales come up through the surface of the water? They yes, breach. They breach the surface. Breach. All right.
Dolphin.
When I read this book, like this weekend, I saw that picture and I thought, why in the world do they have dolphins? Do you know why?
Why?
Because they're also mammals.
Because
They're mammals, yeah.
Because they have blow holes.
Yes, they do. But you know what else? I didn't know this until this weekend. Dolphins are whales.
Wait, what?
Right? I didn't know that either. That's really
Oh
weird.
my God.
Right? That's just strange. It's true. We'll read about that. Because I saw that picture and I thought, no way. And then I read the book and I went, way?
Strange in an interesting way.
Yes, very interesting. Again, we have our table of contents. That tells us what's in the book that we're going to read. So we've got an introduction, types of whales, where whales live, the characteristics of whales, whale behavior, and threatened whales. And then what's the glossary? What do we find there?
Like,
Like an index a little bit, but in the glossary, what do we find?
Word.
Words. And their definitions, right? The definitions of words that are important to our understanding what we read.
Yep.
And in these books, they're all in boldface. They're all darker. Okay, I guess I don't need to sit down yet. All right, introduction.
Why?
Do you guys want to read this independently, or do you want me to read it?
read independently.
Okay, so quietly read this page. I'll give you about a minute or two, and then we'll talk about a fact that we can add to our circle chart,
That's
okay?
the coolest whale
Okay.
picture I've ever seen.
Yeah, but get to this page, please. Read that page.